Number 55 going to the front bumper of the 88. Oh, big hit for the 88 on the number 7. 0-2 got the front side of the 171. We got the 9.6 under the count. He's off the count. He's made contact. We've got the 171 under the count. Needs to make a competitive hit. 9.6 under the count. Oh, big hit on right front tire from the 88. We've got the number 9.6 under the count. We've got the number 7 under the count. Big hit from the 0-2 on the front side of the 171. 9.6 is under the count, and number 7 under the count. Black flag falling on the 9.6. We've got the count on the number 7. Waiting to see a competitive hit. Nose to nose. Buried himself down. Down to 5 cars. 0-2 is under the count down the far end. Still mixing it up. You've got the 171, the 55, the 5, and the 88. 0-2 down the far end under the count. 88 pushing the number 5 all the way to the corner. The backside of that performance car is ready to fall apart. The 0-2 counted out. We are down to 4. I don't know about you guys in the stands, but I want to see the 5 and 55 start heading. Four cars still moving. We've got the 55 and the 88 under the count by Don Turner, center track. Oh, big hit to the door. Zach admitted, I didn't mean to. Nose to nose, the 55 and the 88. Zach's car is falling apart, the 171. We got the number 55 under the count. Big hit to the right front of Noble Johnson's car there. Hey, come on, guys. to see the brakes. We want to see it. 4 cars left. Who wants to see the 55-5 hit? Swing the miss, hit him again! Let's go! Now on the 151. You don't be hitting the brakes, hit them harder. Big hit from a 171 on the front side of the 5. We've got the count under the number 88. We got the 55 under the count. Hit the 55! You know you got the crowd booing at you, right? Oh, nice ride for Zach! We are down to 3. We've got the 171 under the count. Did 55 take third? We are down to 2. The 5 and the 171. Here comes Zach moving. We've got the 171 under the count. Come on. 171 is under the count.